Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, officials, professionals, those who are listening from the world of science, religion, spirituality, arts, commerce and engineering. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. I heartily, cordially welcome our most honorable present Prime Minister, Saint Dr. Narendra Modi ji. Presence of doctors and ministers, highly appreciable, admirable. It is really a praiseworthy moment of life that you are providing your valuable time, place, and the most important thing, that is the 100% presence of our mind. It is really a knowledgeable, informative, instructive and directive statement that is very common for leading a happier life. Everyone who is spending his time in spending and earning only, he or she should use this time for the welfare of humanity, with having compassionate, sympathetic and humanistic attitude. Man is born to free, but he is in shackles. Why? Because of materialism. Nowadays, in this dark age, materialism is so influencing and affecting our daily routine with our thoughts. So we should not forget our initiators, beginners, starters of the different missions, those who came first on this earth, those who struggled hard, strived hard. They fight against their negativities, anger, frustration, depression, lust. These things that always spoils and damages our holy spiritualistic talent that we have inborn with us. As per the thoughts of Swami Vivekananda, who went throughout the world for spreading the humanistic message all over the world, nation to nation. He was in favor of kindness, affection, human values, moral values, spiritual values. But we have forgot. We do not pay attention on our soul or spirit, which requires the utmost freedom in this life. So we should remember, we should recall our past, our culture, our religion, from which we belong. We must proud on it. Nature around us that provide us familiarity and friendly nature. We should always be friendly and familiar with the elements and objects of nature. Nature never betray, never cheat and defeat us. Not at any rate. We should prefer naturalities, commonnesses. Our body is made by 5 elements: air, fire, soil, sky and water. It does not mean that where there is not 5 elements and there is no existence of God. Scientifically, philosophically, psychologically, educationists, those who are doing research, scientists, doctors, those who always remain busy, they must spend their time in searching the truenesses, realities of life. If a man can innovate any new technology, new software in this modern time, new social sites, man is trying to invent. So one technology is advanced than others and we are going to follow. But who is the maker of these technologies? Who has given us the mind for the perfection and completion of this technology? We are not reminding. So that's why nature never give us justice. Imbalance in nature creates a lot of hazards and problems like earthquake, heavy rainfall, serious diseases, epidemics. So these are the effects, influences, results of the inhumanitarian behavior. When man is not follow his duties while being a man, we must thank the God for everything whatsoever we have. In present time, so those who are listening, really nice to meet to the thoughts, words. By the words, everything can be regenerated.